guys, and welcome back to another Boxycharm unboxing. This one is for my February base box, so we're gonna just jump right in. I've got my card of stuff that's on it, and the cute little Valentine's-y back of it is adorable. But yeah, so in this box, the most expensive thing is 40 bucks, so no, like, really high-end items, but that's okay. That's totally okay. And that item is the St. Luxe Beauty Limited Edition Liner Duo. This is $40. Why is it $40? There's most definitely liner duos that cost less than that. But then, you open it, it's like, oh, they're lip liners. I was expecting this to be an eyeliner in the colors Love Letter and Secret Admirer. Not sure how those will do on me, but as Smokey at work is proof of, apparently you can also use lip liners as like makeshift eyeshadow. I'll have to ask her how to do it if this doesn't work out for me as a lip liner, so anyway. So that's what the one looks like, and I definitely just got it all over the cap because I suck. And here is the other one. They're really tight, which is bizarre. I've never felt one's quite this tight before. Shut up! I know that's what he said, but come on. It does not want to open. There we go. That's that one's probably more wearable. Do these come off? Are these sharpeners? No, they don't. Okay. Thought I would check. So, this lip liner duo makes lip shaping easier than ever with a creamy, long-lasting, and hydrating formula. The liner smoothly glides onto lips and blends with little to no effort. Achieve a fuller look by overlining lips just above the natural lip line to get a plump, kissable look. As if anyone doesn't know how lip liner works. But yeah, $40 fucking for these. Mind-blowing. So then we've got the Glamier Pink Luxe Glitter Eye Brush collection, and this is $29.95 for these, which, again, blows my fucking mind. Glittery, enchanting, and fun. The set features 4 essential eye brushes. Let that sink in. 4 brushes for that much. Ultra soft duo synthetic bristles make blending easy and flawless. God, this reeks of plastic in the worst way possible, but look how cute! They've got little hearts in them, and you know what this reminds me of, being an 80s baby? It reminds me of those glitter batons. You know damn well what I'm talking about, don't you? You know you do! You know you do! Okay, so, you can see the brush tips, they're pretty. Does it say what each one is? They fucking don't! So, I have no idea, but look how fun! These two don't, okay, you smack them around a little, they'll do the thing, but it's like, as soon as there's a bubble in there, that bubble wants to block the glitter from going anywhere, so they're a little fiddly, but, at the same time, for those of us, read as me, who are easily freaking amused, I'm like, okay, you don't want to know how long I spent playing with these damn things before I ever got on camera, like, it is ridiculous. So, I mean, there is that. And they go in this little pouch, although I'm going to stick them in my brush holder. I don't know what I'm going to do with the pouch after that, but I'll find something, I'm sure. But yeah, so, 30 bucks for that. Crazy. Then we've got the Wander Beauty Double Date Lip and Cheek. It just says lip and cheek. Lip and cheek what? Lip and cheek color? Like, what the fuck? What the fuck? Get ready to take your lips and cheeks on a double date. This lightweight duo pairs a sheer tint with a universal balm that can be used alone or layered on lips and cheeks. The sheer tint blends effortlessly onto skin, while the clear, shimmer-free balm provides comfortable hydration and glow. 22 bucks for this thing. Where is it? Let's see. Careful. Okay. A multitask. It says the same thing. Okay. Tap and blend with fingertips or brush onto lips and cheeks for hydration and buildable color. They just said it's clear. They just said it's not. Which is it? Which is it? What the fuck? Okay. Okay, what am I looking at? I see 2 hinges. What the actual fuck? What is going on here? I'm frightened! Okay, so one looks like that. Is there another? There is. Okay, okay. This is why I was confused. Because there is, in fact, a clear one here. So, like... What? No scent or anything. But, that's so weird. So, is the one for lips or cheeks or like I don't even know. I feel stupid for not understanding this product. I don't. $22 for that thing. Then we have the Saturday Skin Yuzu Vitamin C Sleep Mask, which again, I'm a belly sleeper, so how do I do a sleep mask, guys? Someone please advise. It's a good size too. Sweet Dreams, cold-pressed yuzu seed oil, and an encapsulated vitamin complex help improve the appearance of stressed skin to look deeply hydrated and vibrant with targeted antioxidants. An exclusive peptide formula, CHA 7 ES complex, that promotes the look of skin's natural glow and renewal. Make every day a Saturday. Let's not. I work Saturdays. Let's not make every day a Saturday. Fuck that. Apply after your moisturizer. Leave on overnight. Maybe use 3 to 5 times a week. And then on here, it's $29 for this thing too. A lightweight mask that works while you sleep to deliver moisture while targeting the look of aging, dullness, pores, stress, and texture. It looks like it should be glasses plastic, by the way. This unique jelly texture mask is crafted with the yuzu fruit. Ooh, it's holographic. I have so much ADD! What the fuck? I can't make it through a sentence! Which contains 3 times more vitamin C than any other citrus. Oh, it's got the little thingy! It has the thingy! The little scoopy thingy that, like, barely scoops out anything. But then it has the thingy. Oh my god. Why? Whoa! Wow, that is... You're not kidding when they said it's jelly, like, okay, why did I feel the need to, open it? I don't fucking know, but oh my god. Alright, we're gonna close that for now, because that is apparently hella messy. Yeah, I'm sure there's some way for me to use that. I don't know how exactly, again, as a belly sleeper, but... I'll figure something out, or at least try to. I cannot sleep on my back to save my ass. I cannot do it. I've tried. I cannot fucking do the thing, so I don't know. Let's see here. And then finally, the Ace Beauty, or is it Butte? I don't know. Nostalgia palette, which seems perfect for me to have one called that. Well, let's see here. The Nostalgia palette consists of 15 colors meant to inspire fun and creativity as well as make you feel nostalgic about some awesome past fun times. Each color has been carefully milled and pressed to provide the easiest application and most excellent color payoff. And this is $38.99. So let's see it. This is like the one thing I haven't looked at yet. Okay, so it still looks like that. It's very pretty. Ooh! Oh, honey, alright. Alright, check these out. Hella summery. So, our color names. Yeah, I see why they said nostalgia. We have beach, popsicle, stargazing, theme park, water slide, heat, raspberry, picnic, camping, fun, flower, vacation, flip-flops, carnival, and hiking. So basically it really wants you to be nostalgic for, like, your summer vacations is, like, what I'm getting out of this. But, it's really cute, and those colors look really fun. I can't wait to play with them. I'll probably wait a little bit, just because this feels more summery to me, so I'll probably wait more towards summer to, like, bust into that one, but still, I am looking forward to it. So, anyways, that's what I got in my February base Boxycharm box. So, anyways, you guys know the drill. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe. I can talk, really. Make sure to hit the notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. I know not many of you have hit it. I know you haven't. Analytics tells me only about 6% of you have. Hit that button. Anyways, make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, everything, and more. It's all down below. Leave comments down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Get your name on the end card for a month from the time of donating. Anyway, guys, till next time. Bye-bye. Oh, it didn't hit stop.